So in previous lecture, we have seen how to find out ones complement and twos complement for a given number. Now, if you want to know how we are doing mathematically, right? So here we will see the proof. So, for example, the given number n equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Some number I have taken, right? This is your given number. Now, in this given number, small n is nothing but how many digits are there in this number? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there, right? And radix. Radix is nothing but this is a binary number, so radix is 2. Okay, this is a given number. Capital N is a given number. Small n is nothing but how many digits are there in this number, and r equal to 2. Suppose if you taken n equal to 1 0 1 0. So in that case, n equal to 4, 1 0 1 0. So you have taken 4 digits, right? So capital N equal to, for example, 1 0 1 0 you have taken. Small n will become 4, right? Like this. So if you consider this is the parameter, now we will see ones complement. So ones complement formula is r power n minus 1 minus capital N. This is your ones complement formula. Twos complement formula is r power n minus capital N. Okay, this is the twos complement formula. So first we will see the ones complement. Okay, so I'm erasing this one. So in this case, r power n minus 1 minus n. So n is that given number, and this small n is nothing but in that given number how many individual digits are there. Here in this case 7, right? Suppose r power n. R power n is nothing but in this case 2 power 7. What is 2 power 7? 2 power 7 is nothing but 128 in the decimal number system. 128 in the decimal number system. In binary, 1 followed by 7 zeros. Okay, 1 followed by 7 zeros. If you want, you can find it out. So this position is 1 position, 2 power 0 position, this position is 2 power 1 position, this position is 2 power 2 position, this position is 2 power 3 position. So I'm writing directly 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, this is 128. Suppose if you want to 128 means you place 1 here and remaining all are zeros, right? So 1 followed by 3 plus 3 zeros plus 1. So totally 7 zeros. For example, 2 power 4. That means 2 power 4 means 16. 16 in the decimal. In binary, 1 followed by 4 zeros. So 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, right? So if you want 16, place 1 here and remaining all are zeros. This is just a decimal to binary conversion I am showing. So the essence is r power n means 1 followed by n zeros. Okay, r power n means 1 followed by n zeros. So coming to here, okay, here r power n means 1 2 power 7, 1 followed by 7 zeros, right? Now r power n minus 1, okay, r power n minus 1, this part, what it will become now? 1 followed by 7 zeros minus 1. Okay, when you do this, what you will get here? So by simple binary subtraction, so you cannot subtract 0 minus 1, right? So you need to take the borrow. So borrow is you can get only from this one because remaining all are zeros. So what you will get? 1. I'm simple doing binary subtraction. If you don't know how I am doing, you just please watch the previous lecture. So now this one will be cancelled out, and 1 you will get this one and this one, 1, 1, and 1. So you get r minus 1 is nothing but 6 once you got it, right? For example, I have taken n equal to 4. Now r power 2 power 4, r power n means 2 power 4 is nothing but 1 followed by 4 zeros, right? Now r power n minus 1, that is nothing but 2 power 4 minus 1, it will become 4 ones. Okay, so essence is r power n minus 1 is nothing but n number of ones. Okay, r power n minus 1 is nothing but n number of ones, right? So in this case, r power n is nothing but, directly here I am writing, okay, n number of ones. How many, what is n here? N is nothing but 7, right? So 7 ones. So this 3 ones plus 7 ones. Now r power n minus 1 is nothing but, it became 7 ones here. Okay, in general case it becomes n number of ones. What is n? N is nothing but number of digits in the given n. So in always ones complement, what we are doing is the given number, okay, always we are subtracting from the that many number of ones. Okay, this is the formula we are deriving here. Suppose for example you have taken n equal to 10111, this is the number you have taken. Now r power n minus 1 will become, what is that? R power n means here n is nothing but how many bits? 5 bits, right? Now r power n minus 1 will become, r power n means 2 power 5 minus 1. So it is actually 32. 32 means how you can write 1 followed by 5 zeros, right? As per previous discussion, minus 1. So what you will get? 5 ones. That means the given number you are subtracting 5 ones as per this formula, r power n minus 1 minus n. So this is r power n minus 1, right? This is 1. Now you need to subtract this, right? Here I am erasing, right? So the essence is always you are in ones complement, always you are subtracting the given number from ones. Okay, so normally the given number contains ones and zeros, right? Ones and zeros only is there in the given number. So you are always subtracting the given number from the 1. That means you will have only 2 possible cases. So the given number may be in the particular position, in one particular position, maybe you can have 1 or you can have 0. So this 1 or 0 always you need to subtract from the 1 only, right? So 1 minus 1, what you will get? 0. 1 minus 0, what you will get? 1. That means the 1 which is given in the number will become 0, 0 will become 1, right? So here we will see 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. See here, this 1 becomes 0, this 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So it is inverted. So in ones complement, directly we can write the given number inverted form, that will become a ones complement. Okay, this is the procedural way. So here this example we will see. Okay, I am erasing this one. So 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1, 0. So this is the complement. 0 become 1, 0 become 1, 1 become 0, 0 become 1, 1 become 0, 0 become 1, 1 become 0. Okay. So whether you remember this procedure or not, so the given number, for example, this is your given number 11011. If you want to find it out, ones complement, simply invert the number 00100. If If you want to do mathematical procedure, so how many n small n's are there? I mean small n positions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So small n will become 5. 2 power 5, 32. 32 minus 1. So 5 ones you will get. So you need to subtract this from 5 ones. If you do the same answer, we will get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now we will come to the 2's complement. So in 2's complement, what you are doing is, what is the formula? 1's complement plus 1 will become 2's complement, right? 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1 will become 2's complement. So what is the formula for 1's complement? R power n minus 1 minus n plus 1. If you do such, this minus 1 plus 1 will become cancelled. So R power n minus n. This is our 2's complement. Now we will see one example. Again we will do the same exercise. N equal to, for example, 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 we will see. Now if you want to perform 2's complement mathematically, how we will see? So small n is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones, right? 7 digits are there. Now R power n becomes 2 power 7. That means 1 followed by 7 zeros, right? Now R power n minus n. That means the given number is n. Now you want to subtract this one. This will become 2's complement. R power n minus n. Okay. This is the 2's complement. So the given number is 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. Okay. This is the given number. So now you subtract this one. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 1. So here in this case you cannot do, so you just get the borrow one here. So this subtraction is very important. I told you in the previous lecture, you please go through that. So 1, this 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 and 1 0 1 0 1 3 6 7. Sorry, here wrongly I have written. Positions are wrongly written. So I am erasing 1. 2 power 7 is nothing but 1 followed by 7 zeros. So this is totally 8 digits are there, right? Including 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our given number is 7 digits only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to carefully write here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Right? This is the positions you need to write carefully. Now you do this one. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So 0 minus 1 you cannot do. So what you are doing is you are getting the borrow, right? Now this one and this one will be cancelled out. This one will become here 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here already I have given the borrow. So it has 0, right? So this is the 2's complement of the given number. If you observe carefully, always the given number is, you need to subtract from the zeros only. Okay. So R power n becomes 1 followed by that many zeros. Here n is, small n is nothing but 7 individual digits. So 2 power 7 means 1 followed by that many zeros. So 7 zeros are there. So you need to subtract the given number from the 7 zeros, right? So here the direct method is 1's complement plus 1. Okay. What is the 1's complement plus 1? So this n I am writing here, n equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. This 1's complement of n is nothing but 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. So plus 1 will become, we will get a 2's complement, right? So here if you add plus 1, what you will get? 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. See, this result 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. this result and this result is same. Okay, given number, 1's complement plus 1 is also giving the 2's complement result. Or if you perform as per the formula r power n minus 1, actually this formula got from here only, right? 1's complement plus 1, so 1 cancelled, so you got the 2 r power n minus 1. This is done. So this is r power n minus 1, this is 1's complement plus 1. So both the methods are same. Direct method is shortcut is, so copy the numbers from the right side until you get the first one. So here 0, 0, 1. After that, invert the each digit. Here you have 0, right? 1 here. Here you have 1, 0. Here you have 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay? This is direct method. Okay? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. The same answer. Right? So 2's complement you can perform in any method. But this method you need to practice more, so that in later sections we need to perform always 2's complement. So in that case, immediately you can do using the shortcut method. Okay, the same methods we are following in the decimal number 10's complement and 9's complement, and octal number 8's complement and 7's complement, hexadecimal number 16's complement and 15's complement. So the same methods we are performing there also. So there in the 9's complement method, you need to subtract the given number from 9. Okay, and in a 7's complement method, the given number you need to subtract from the 7, and 15's complement, the given number you need to subtract from the 15. As in 1's complement, the given number we are subtracting from 1, right? And similarly, 8's complement method means 7's complement plus 1. 16's complement method is 15's complement plus 1. So 2's complement method is 1's complement plus 1, like that. Okay, but practice this shortcut method for 2's complement. And here 1's complement, instead of subtracting the given number from 1, directly we are inverting the given number. Both are the same, right? So always you have to subtract the given number from 1 only. The given number possibilities are either 0 or 1 you will have in each and every bit position. When you are subtracting 1, 1 minus 1 will become 0, 1 minus 0 will become 1. That means the given number becomes 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So that is why in 1's complement method directly we are inverting, and 2's complement method, that shortcut we are following. This is the most important 1's and 2's complement methods in binary system, okay, than all other methods.